here a pot, there a pot, everywhere a pot. I'm out here at Terra Casa with Diana. And Diana, you have pots.
We do have pots. We got them earlier this year, and we got a lot of them, and we are in the pot business.
You are. That's right. And you're not new to the pot business, but there are a lot of new colors and new glazes and new styles.
Yes, I had a new resource this year, and we're pretty thrilled with all the new colors. And we have this one colorway with the purples is just flying out the door. So yeah, it's really fun. They're different glazes, and they're something that a lot of people haven't seen before. So.
And we were noticing even in some of your displays how you've taken them, and there's round ones and tall ones. You've made bubblers and fountains out of them, and you can kind of like custom tie all of these matching pots throughout your patio and your garden.
Right, and that's one of the things we do recommend is sticking with the same colorway out in your patio or your backyard. It gives it a nice canvas to work with, and then your plants get to be the focal point as well. But these are fun, and they can also be just a standalone art piece because they're so beautiful.
Right, yeah, they are. And it is a piece of art sitting there. Like you said, you can plant in them, but you're also turning them into fountains.
Right, yeah, and any of the pots that we have in the pot lot can be turned into a fountain. So it's all a very custom thing. If you want this size pot and this size bowl, or if you want a reservoir, we have all the parts, all the components and everything
right,
for
you can make it anything that you want, really.
Yes.
But you also have some that are already pre-done, ready to go.
Yeah.
These kind of a grab-and-go
These were really popular last year. So the nice thing about them is they're self-contained, so that you can set them up anywhere on your patio or your front porch or your yard. The pump comes with it, so you can, it's a grab-and-go kind of thing. You can take it home with you and set it up that day, put some water in it, and you're good to go. So. Right,
because as the weather is finally breaking and we're able to get out into our yards and enjoy our patios, it's nice to have that. That sound of the water or the pot or being able to be able to
Right. And it just makes it easy. It's one of those instant gratification things where with our custom bubblers, you do have to have it made. It takes about a week or so, and we can deliver, we can set up, we can install your reservoir, we can do all that for you. But this is one of those, I want a patio, a bubbler, and I want it today, and you can just come get it.
Take it home, just a plug and play.
Exactly.
And aside from all the amazing fountains that you do and all the pottery, you have a lot of gift lines.
We do. Yeah. We have a lot of garden art, the ceramic mushrooms, which are very, very popular, the shroomies. We have a lot of fire pits, and everyone be careful with fire, but a lot of them have the screen guards on them, so they're nice to use in the backyard to keep warm or for roasting marshmallows, and lots of fun things.
Yeah, and there are a lot of different styles on the fire pits that we saw. It's not just your round bin to build a fire.
There's some real rusty ones. There's some cutout ones, laser cut out, and there's just really big giant cast iron bowls too.
Right, because now is the time to be in our yards. We're getting everything, we're getting all of this inspiration, and it's the pottery and the fountains are the focal point of what draws you into your garden.
We're going to be spending a lot of time out in our backyards this year.
So if you're looking for a bubbler or a pot or yard art, checking out the inside for the indoor decor, bringing the outdoor decor, make sure you come out here to Terra Casa, visit Diana and her staff, and just be inspired.
Exactly.
Thank you, Diana, for having us today.
Thank you.